What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Gonna do a quick walk around video on 1973 Plymouth Cuda. It's a 440 in it right now. It's got power steering and power brakes. Gorgeous car. Love the stance, love the look, love the graphics, love the color. Interior is absolutely gorgeous. These Cooper Cobras were put on here not long ago, about 6-7 months ago. They're brand new tires. I want to point out a couple things. There's a little bit of bubble in there. Love the spoiler back here. It looks great. Vinyl top looks great. Hop on the inside real quick. You got bucket seats, console, automatic. Should be a 727 torque flight. Said power steering, power brakes, radio's working, door panels is in excellent condition, rubber's nice and soft, looks brand new. Back seat's in great shape as well. Got some new 6x9s in the back. Got that big door. Blacked out rear tail panel, as it should, dual exhaust. Another spot right here, just want to point out, down here. Got disc brakes up front. Grill looks dang near perfect. Got all the original VIN plates on the dash as well. Courtesy light working. Let's give it a little fire up here. This is going to be a cold start. Hadn't started it since yesterday. Turn our lights on. Wipers working like they should. Lights are all working. Runs perfect. Power steer, power disc brakes. Got long tube headers there. Awesome car. Anyway, y'all, if I can earn your business, please let me know. This is Josh from Drive the Coast. Have an awesome day.